Hi, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can see new videos that I'll be dropping on this channel afresh. And also please click the like button or turn up the like button and also share this video so that this video could reach so many people and this video could be of help to so many people out there. Now let's get to the topic of the day. Today we're going to be discussing about the COTP. So that is a crypto over the counter, that is OTC. So now this is the new crypto arbitrage that is now in town. It's started from Canada and everyone now is involved. So let me say so many people are now involved in this crypto arbitrage. So which you need a capital of 10 minimum of 10 USDT, which is the same thing as $10. That's the minimum capital you can bring into this program, and also the minimum withdrawal. And also here you can withdraw your money anytime you wish, anytime. Even if you fund your account now, if you fund your account now and you decide to trade for like 2 hours, you can withdraw your capital and your profit at the same time. Now, on every transaction you place on this program, you get 0.3%. That is, in a day, if you are able to trade 10 times, you get 3% of your capital. And now, for this trading is very, very easy. In a minute, you can trade and close the trade within a minute. So after 2 hours, the transaction will drop with a profit. So that means you have 12 times in a day you can trade. But you know, lapses will sleep in the middle of the night or do. So at least you'll be able to complete about 9 to 10 trades in a day. Now, I don't know how many investment will give you that return this time is that will have, but at least you have to do something. That is, you have to trade. If you don't trade, your capital will just be there. So if you trade and you take this thing serious, you move it to the next level. People are coming in with big capitals, but note this. I'm not a financial advisor. I just bump into this program and I'm also on the program, and it has been, it has been doing well. Payment is very, very swift. Immediately you make withdrawal, in the next 5 minutes you get it into your wallet. So it is very, very swift. Now, if you are not on this program, endeavor to join. Note again, only come in with the amount of money you can risk. Into this program with what you can afford to lose. Don't borrow money to come to this program. Don't use your last card to come to this program. Only come in with what you can afford to lose. So this video is just an educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, how do you join this program? How do you join this program? I'll drop a link in the description below. So you join me on WhatsApp, we chat up, and I will also drop the link where you can register. Also, so if you click on the WhatsApp link, message me on WhatsApp, I'll put you through and I'll guide you. Even if you don't know anything about crypto at all, hello, you can join this program. And also also in this program, I will also assist you in introducing you to the crypto world if you are new to crypto. So I will show you the interface of how it looks like, and when trading how it looks like, and all that. If you are interested in this, if you are a risk taker, hit the link on your WhatsApp so you get started. Now I will leave here, then come back with the interface of the platform, how it you see how this thing is being done. It's very, very easy and simple. So see you on the other side. Yeah, welcome back. So I want to show us the interface and how the interface looks like, so you get to see it. So I'm on Android, so I have installed the app. You can see that's the app icon. But if you go to home here, then click on the download center. So the download center here. So you click on the download center, then download. Don't go to Play Store, just come to download from official website. Download from the official website there. So let's continue. So here now, so as you can see, this is my dashboard. Currently I have 40 USDT in transaction.
my wallet balance is 2.566, that is 2.56 cents. Now I just want to show us the details of funds, my details of funds, as you can see here. So if you check, you find out that I joined on the 11th of April. I decided to test the waters with 10 USDT. I decided to test the water with 10 USDT, as you can see. So then I decided to withdraw that same day. Can you see? I decided to withdraw that same day. Can you see? 4/11 again, 2022. I withdrew $10 after trading for several hours. So as you can see there. Then on the 12th, the following day, I went back with 51 USDT. Then I traded. After the following day, on the 15th, I decided to come in with 46.4 USDT. So a total of 97.7 USDT together now. That is on the 15th, as you can see there in the video. Then here on the 27th, that is after 12 days. Yes, after 12 days, I decided to withdraw. So I withdrew 138 USDT. As you can see there, I withdrew 138. Then on the 30th, I decided to come back in with 39 USDT. As you can see, that is on the 30th. So that's how I've been trading on this platform. So I'm only trying to test the waters, so to see. And again, withdrawal was very, very swift. It was very fast. Within 5 minutes, I got it into my wallet, to my Binance wallet. So you can join this platform if you can take the risk. If you're a risk taker, then join with what you can afford to lose. So that's just it. So you come in with what you can afford to lose. But right now, this thing is paying real fast and paying real well. Paying real fast and paying real well, as you can see. So it has been around since 2019. It has been around since 2019. So if you love to join the team, check the description on this video. You see my WhatsApp link. You also see the registration link where you can register. So the minimum you can register with is just 10 USDT, and also the minimum you can withdraw is 10 USDT. So that is it. So if you're interested in this, click the WhatsApp, join through the registration link in the description. Then I'll see you at the other side. Thanks for watching once again. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Then like this video, share this video. Thanks again for watching.